Hi, this is Farooq Ahmed. I am connected with you through Rahman Science Academy. Here I teach you mathematics of ninth grade. Let's we start from chapter number 1. The name of chapter is matrices and determinant. First of all, we discuss about the matrix. What is a matrix? Matrix is a rectangular array or formation of a collections of the real number. We say that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, such as we write into row and column 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we enclose by a square brackets like, let's suppose this is first matrix A. We write in this way 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we discuss about the rows and column. What is a row? Row is a horizontal way. In a matrix A, this is a matrix are known as the A matrix. The entries in the matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In a matrix A, the entries presented in the horizontal way like this are known as the row. We name first row is R1, second row is R2. This is known as the row of a matrix. Then we discuss about the column. Column is a vertical direction in a matrix. This is indicated by C1, other one is C2, and third one is C3. A matrix A, the entries presented in the vertical way are known as the column. This is C1, C2 and C3. Now we discuss about the order of a matrix. What is the order of a matrix? How we define the order of a matrix? The number of row and column in a matrix are known as the order. Let's suppose this one is B matrix. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The horizontal, first we check the rows. Here in the matrix B, there are two rows. These are horizontal, are known as the row, and vertical are known as the column. The order of this matrix is 2 by 3. We write into different way like 2 by 3, and we write in this way 2 into 3. What is a equal matrix? Let A and B be two matrix, then A is said to be equal. Now equal matrix, there are two possibilities. We say that two matrices are equal. Let's suppose first we check the order of matrix, then we check the corresponding elements of the matrix. First of all, we have a matrix A having entries is 1, 3, 5 and 6. Other matrix is B. The entries is 0 plus 1, 3, 10 minus 5 and 6. We say that A is equal to B. There are two conditions having A equal to B. First of all, we check the order of a matrix. The order of matrix A is 2 by 2. Then the order of second matrix is 2 by 2, having two rows and two columns. First properties is order is same. A is equal to B. Then we check the corresponding elements of the each matrix. Here is A, 0 plus 1 will be 1. 1 is equal to 1. The second entry is 3. On the other matrix B having 3. And third one is 5. 10 minus 5 will be 5. The fourth entry of this matrix is 6 and B having 6. We say that A is equal to B. There are two possibilities. First one is order of a matrix should be same. Second one is corresponding elements should be same. We say that A is equal to B. Having order is same and corresponding elements are same. Now we start from exercise 1.1 of unit number 1. The question is given, find the order of the following matrix. Matrix are given, we find the order. The order of a matrix is defined as the number of row and column in a matrix. The first matrix having 2 rows and 2 columns. The order of this matrix is 2 by 2. And B having same order, having 2 rows and 2 columns. We write 2 by 2. In matrix C, having only 1 row and 2 columns, we write 1 by 2. And D matrix having 3 rows and 1 column, we write 3 by 1. And E having 3 rows and 2 columns, we write 3 by 2. In matrix F, only 1 row and 1 column, we write 1 by 1. In G matrix, having 3 rows and 3 columns, we write 3 by 3. In H matrix, having 2 rows and 3 columns, we write 2 by 3. In question number 2, which of the following matrix are equal matrix? According to the definition, we say that two matrices are equal. First of all, the order of a matrix remains same and the corresponding elements should be same. The entry of A is 3 and we check all of these matrix having 3. First of all, we check the order. The order of A is 1 by 1 and we check other matrix having order is 1 by 1. This one is C having order 1 by 1. We check 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. We say that A is equal to C because A and C have same order and corresponding elements are same. In B, the order of a matrix is 1 by 2. We check the other matrix having order is 1 by 2. I think so. I is having order is 1 by 2. Then we check the corresponding element. The B is 3 and I is 3. The other entries is 5 and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. B is equal to, we say that B is equal to I because the order of the both matrix are same and the corresponding elements are equal. Now we check the matrix F. First of all, we discuss about the order. The order is having 2 rows and 1 column, 2 by 1. We check the other matrix having order is 2 by 1. I think so. G 5 having G is equal to 3 minus 1 and 3 plus 3. Having order is 2 rows and 1 column. Then we check the corresponding elements. F having 2 and G 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And the other entries is 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Having order is same as well as the corresponding elements are remain same. We say that F is equal to G. Then we check the matrix H. The order of a matrix is 2 by 2, and J is 2 plus 2, 2 minus 2, having order is 2 by 2. First of all, we add or subtract, then we check the order of a matrix. H and J having same order, then we check the corresponding elements. First row having 4 and 0, and J is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now 6 and 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Here is 2 on the J, having 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. We say that H is equal to J because both of the matrix having order is same and the corresponding elements are equal. And E is equal to, the order of a E is 2 by 2, having 2 rows and 2 columns, and that is why E also equal to H, J and E.